Hello, this is Ryan from NinjaTransfers.com, and in this quick tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use the Ninja Gang Sheet Builder. Of course, you found your way here by going to the Ninja Transfers, DTF Transfers drop-down menu at the top of the page here, and clicking on that DTF Gang Sheet Online Builder. And just a reminder, it also works the same way for our perma stickers, so you'll be able to follow this process for both options. So right now, first thing you're going to want to do is select your size. I'm going to go here with the 22-inch by 60-inch or 5 feet. And all you have to do is select it and click Build Your Own Gang Sheet. And that will load up a template very much like this right here. And then from there, you'll be able to upload your image right here, or really however many images you need. And then from there, you'll be able to get building. So if I've already got mine uploaded, so we'll start with the first design. All you have to do is give that a click, and that will populate that in the top left corner. It's going to read the size already on the left-hand side with a width of 7.69 inches, a height of 3.31. You can change this height and width either by clicking and dragging or by typing it in. So for this, we'll do a nice 10.5-inch width. And something to keep in mind as well is the resolution lines here. So optimal resolution will be outlined in green like it was when I first uploaded. That means it's greater than or equal to 300 dpi, which will absolutely get you best results. But still, if you have a sort of orange outline like I have right here, that's just good resolution that's greater than or equal to 150 dpi. So from there, you'll still get a decent print, but it is definitely something you want to be aware of. If you continue to expand the size, you'll see it enters that bad resolution with that red outline. 72 or less DPI really is not something that you want. Will definitely yield a blurry print. So definitely bear that in mind. If you are getting that issue, consider ordering transfers by size because our team will be able to help you out. But we'll go back to our 10.5-inch width. And then from there, we can either duplicate it out one at a time and sort of position them as needed. Or if you know you're going to need a bunch of these, you can go right over to the auto duplicate option. From here, we're going to go ahead, add an additional 24. And that pretty much fills up the entire sheet. So if we don't need all of that, we can delete some as well and make some room for some other designs. But that is one good way of just knowing how many you can fit. From there also, go ahead, click the smaller one, and we'll do the same. And it will stop when you run out of room here. So that is one nifty feature here of that autofill. And if you ever just short one, you're able to just go right ahead over here and drag and drop. So here we've got our completed gang sheet. One thing too to keep in mind as well, if you don't have transparent PNGs like I've uploaded here, say it's a JPEG with a white background or something like that, we do also have a remove background option right here on the left-hand side. So definitely keep that in mind. Of course, these are always printed exactly as submitted. So we definitely recommend really reviewing these before submitting. Also, if you're realizing, hey, I've run out of room, you can also go ahead and change the size right there and your artwork will stay in place. So say you've realized you're going to need double what you got, you can upgrade to the 10-footer or even go all the way for the 20-foot sheet. But right now we're sticking with the 5-footer. All we have to do is save, add to cart. And this is one more thing, of course, like I said, by checking this box, you agree that you have full rights or own the artwork and also that everything is uploaded properly and will print well. So that's definitely something, again, to keep in mind. If you're not 100% happy with what you see on the sheet, definitely considering either switching it up or ordering transfers by size. And then from there, we hit continue. And it's as easy as that, comes right through into the cart here. So then you're either able to check out or head back and build another gang sheet. And of course, if you have any questions at all, feel free to hit us up in the live chat in the bottom left corner of the website here or give us a call. We'll always be happy to help.